Guys, what going? You know, guys been asking for more night vlog. So today we are going to another night vlog, you know what I mean? Today we are going to some Serrol rice. First, some people are going to actually see how Caribbean Vibes prepare the Serrol rice. First, some person are going to even taste the Serrol rice. So we had so much fun from yesterday's video. You know, it's always good to share. That's the most important thing to me. Apart from my daughter and my family, like the most important thing is sharing. You know, so we are going to one Serrol rice today. And we are going to some brownstew fish head. That's a red snapper fish head. But you know, dog him not to do the freshwater fish thing. So, you know, it's a pork man that day, you know, so dog him decided to cook some pork. So, I go link him up now. I go walk around the yard. And then we get the thing kick off, because even though a night vlog, but we want done a little bit earlier than the last time.
Yes, peeps, good evening. That's great adventure. Evening cooking in the yard. Yeah, man, you know, we're going to do some red snapper fish head, brownstew, and some brownstew pork. So, what flavor it will be cooking on some pineapple juice. No, yes, peeps, so we're out this evening. By Caribbean Vibes team out this evening. Yard cooking. Boom.
And one of the people them been asking about the night vlog, so you know.
Yeah, we'll cook Serrol rice. We'll cook some Serrol rice with the brownstew snapper fish head and the brownstew pork cooked down in a pineapple. People been asking for the Serrol rice. We'll give them what they're asking for.
Boss lady.
Yeah, man, out again, you know. You want to get the fire blaze, you know, you throw some coal in the whole pot, you know, and forget it light up, you know. Start the ball game, you know, don't joke about it.
Yeah, we not do it too late, as we are explained, as we not explained early on, because you know, people tend to want to come, but then in night party where it's too late, people don't want to stay so late, you know, so yeah.
So we are just deal with that early thing and wrap up the thing. Yes, peeps, so we get the best meat cut up. Get it cut up and season up. You dash pan the fire. Sometimes you reason, you love clean up my meat, you know. And I ain't anybody me eat pork from, you know, because some people have to cut off them waste something off it. See there? Come on. Ain't anybody me eat pork from and them sitting there. Alright, some people just cut up the meat and not get a good clean up. Me have to clean up my pork. And clean out my waste pot and some waste cheese on the pan. See there, them have something there. Waste cheese. Some people just chop up the same way. But yes, peeps, you get the pork cut up and get it chop up, season up, put it in soak and then put it on the pot and get the bar rolling. That's how we say stew pork. Pineapple sauce. Yeah. And some red snapper fish head cooked down. Brownstew. Yes, peeps now. Get the pork chop. I tell man if each one is a pork, you know. I think a fish alone might.
We'll see,
two
guys.
meat I get in and play. Fish and pork.
So I'm behind the camera because I'm never there at school right now, guys. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm get the ball rolling, man. Season up, get the meat clean up. Season it up and put it up there.
And guys, this video was a shot from last week.
Yeah, man, because of the rain. Yeah, man, every time we push out, so we are going to do it rain or something come up, so we could just say. Today we now is it kind of look overcast, but we think we can wrap up before if the rain to come. Rain. We'll get the pork wash off and we'll get on some vinegar. You know, the vinegar kind of cut the rawness from the pork. We're leaving that vinegar for about 10 minutes, make it go and soak.
People them are wait already, dog.
Yeah, man, the fans them there, man. You see what you know, as they tell us, you know. Whenever we start cooking up, You know, we start cooking up. You don't see nobody. But it's when the pot land, the place full up. See how the dog in there wait. Yes, Pete.
Them I get for them man, feed them on the cutting board. Feed them up.
Me give them.
Feed them.
Come down. Come on, eat. I'm more than on this man. If we call all of them, yo, you all have to full up of that. So they know the entire when to come out. Make it pork one soak.
One of my favorite okra. One of my favorite vegetable that, you know.
So you get the pork seasoned up now. You put a whole of pepper. 2 stalks of scallion. Yeah. Half a onion. Many ways you can do it now. Cut up it or we can blend it. But just, you know. Yeah, we're gonna put get in some pimento seed. We're gonna crush them. Now we look at mortar. Yeah, I get down the pimento seed on it. Get the garlic crush. And chili pepper, clove of garlic. Clove of garlic flakes. So yes, we'll crush a piece of ginger for tonight. We're getting a little garlic powder. Yes, peeps, we'll get a piece of thyme right. Some Maggi. Some all-purpose mix-up season. Jerk, some meat season. I'm getting a little soya sauce. A little grace browning. As my friend say, Eve, my best one. Now I'm getting on promotion. Rubbing. So yes, peas are rubbing this season out, you know, so I left it marinate for about 15 minutes. Get the red snapper, fish head them wash off. You have some vinegar. Cut the rawness from the fish. We get them wash off. We soak them for about 10 minutes and then we get them seasoned up. As we say, brown stew, red snapper head.
Yeah, we did actually clean them up already, guys.
Come on, we get them scale already, so.
Because the video was a shoot and then the rain actually come down, so we have the schedule.
We did scale already.
Yeah. Boss lady on the bicycle there.
We make them soak for about 10 minutes and then we get them seasoned up.
I start some lovely East Indian mango on the tree. Looking good. Soon ready to use up some of them in some crab video too, you know. A lot of them hungry.
Fish and salt out. I get some Maggi. All purpose. Some garlic powder. And some Maggi fish season. I'm add some crushed pimento seed to the season. So yeah, I'll get the fish head them will season up and now.
Hungry fish are gently in the box.
Yeah, I want to give them, man. No. Salt them out. Well, decent.
That's true because you're not eating.
You know, all we not eat, we have to take care of it and make it sure so it come out perfect. Deal with it the right way. Yes, man. Brownstew fishing. First peeps, not even it. That's one of the day, not even it, peeps.
Yeah, so oil hot. Add in sugar, thyme, green scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, some pimento seed, scallion, and all of these herbs is to help to add flavor to the fish head, you know? And it's optional if you want to use it, and if you don't want to fry the fish head with it, still optional. You want oil hot, get it? Now stop. Zip up. Get it. Get it, guys. Yes, I'm going to add 2 of them now. I want to grab 3 so you can get it work in between and you can turn them. Yes, man. Fish head, brownstew pork, Serrol rice, another one. Yeah. I need to set up the next fire, guys.
Yeah, man. Off the fire now, because the rice is fast. Want done early as possible, you know? Yeah, man. So, big up, Serrol and Finland out again. Then it's bang again.
Pork pot hot and also, I'll get in the pork on the fire now, because
Because the rice is
come like you want first with the fish, you want to hurry up. I'm done cooking fish.
Yeah.
I left my pork for that.
Right now the fish looking good. Right now I want to slap what I fish head right there, guys. I swear.
Yeah, it looks pretty much. Good job.
Yes. Fish head looking good. Oh, one rasta.
Oh, yes, sir. I'll get that utility pot for this. I first know getting rid of a fish and I look too pretty. Me, I eat none of a fish. Think I alone like them off.
Yeah, red snapper head.
Yeah. 2 meat more than my fish and pork.
Coal blaze up. Yeah.
And here's a pig. If you don't see nobody on no pig, then tell me pat the land. Security. You're going to need security.
Yeah. Take that.
Yes, please. So add on 1 pepper. Take a garlic and put a still in there. I'll get on the good old pork for the fire. Yeah. Come on. Get me the pork in the pot now. Watch meat boy, watch pretty meat boy. Smell it flavor already. Boy. What's the time, man? I buy it in a piece of this. Yes, man, I have a piece of it. That be gravy. Nah, do nothing. And then I have to stir now and lock him down with him go on. Belly own juice. Next time I'm going to steam. Yeah, man. Good on.
Yeah, pork looking good though.
Yes, man. Have to look good, boy. Go on, man. I'll cover him down and make him go on, man. I'll get on the Serrol rice on the fire. And then time I go. You know, I already washed it with Serrol already. So we'll get in the Serrol in that pot. So yes, we're getting some salt in that pot. half stick of butter. Half an onion. One green pepper. Piece of bell pepper. We're getting about 4 stalks of scallion and piece of thyme. I'm going to add in some pimento seed. And 2 cloves of garlic.
Yes guys, so pot on vegetable. So I'm using some carrots, Irish potato, bell pepper, tomato, garlic, scallion, onion, pimento seed, sauteed in them. Yeah.
Italian chef.
Yeah. Yeah, man, that's what Caribbean boys cooking. That's how we do it, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how we do it. Full of skill, full of talent, you know?
Yes, sir. Full of color.
So what I go do now, I go add just a little bit of vinegar to it. Help with the flavor. You know, and the optional guys.
One full of stew. Yeah.
The one. Yeah, add a little bit of water. Yeah. We're just making a base sauce for the fish head, you know? Just add them in a head. Add a little bit of soya sauce. Just a little fish base stock. There in a head. Yes, so we season to taste.
And taste the season.
Yeah. Everything when we add in it optional, guys. Yeah, add just a little bit of brown sugar to it. So we're building our flavor. Yes, so we add a little bit of fish seed. Not gonna overpower in the sauce now, because remember, so the fish head already seasoned up with powdered seeds. Likewise, just a little bit all-purpose season. Add quarter stick of butter. A little tomato ketchup to it. Then the next step now, I just make it boil up for a minute and then add the fish head them in a heat. You know? We're the best. Come on, don't taste the boss later.
Well, let's taste the kind of gravy, you know? Yeah, man, the flavor turn up.
Yeah, we're going to add just a little bit of pineapple juice. Goes good in the sauce, you know. We're going to add in the okra.
Yeah, man, that's a bad part of the okra.
And even the pineapple juice in the sauce. Because pineapple is one of my favorite fruits. Yeah, so I tend to use pineapple a lot. Still optional. If you don't like pineapple, you don't have to add the sauce. Add it to the sauce. I start going to eat some of this fish head tonight, you know, I'm sure of that.
Yes, guys, I'm getting the fish head them in the pot, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Buy them, guys. Getting the fish head. So we are the real Jamaican style. out on the outdoor cooking.
Brown stew fish head and pineapple sauce.
Yeah.
Babes, if I'm not busy, you have to stop.
I have to make all of them whole, you know. Oh. Yeah, guys, you know. Oh.
I want the fish done, guys, see that? Yeah. You don't want it dry out too much.
Yeah.
The sauce we are dealing with.
Oh, gravy now, oil.
The sauce.
Okay. So yes, peeps. You get the good old meat season up and now. Good old Arnold. So now get you a half of Irish, carrot, piece of thyme, and 2 stalks of scallion, and pepper. And garlic, 2 cloves of garlic.
Level to good old.
Add a little quarter stick of butter in it to enhance the flavor. Yes, peeps. Eat a stir. Watch pretty pot. This, yeah, tall man. This is here eat today. Add a little Maggi in it. And a little pineapple juice in it.
Stew pork with a difference.
Stew pork with a difference.
Yeah, I do all of that, the pineapple juice.
Stew pork with a difference, peeps.
The people have more to it already, guys. You see them?
Tell them, you know.
Come there.
And near pot near filan, you know, peeps. And near pot near filan, peeps. So, you see pot near filan. So, now add a little ketchup in it. Yeah, a little fish and meat sauce in it to get a little, you know, one nice flavor. Get a stir. I'm going to cup it up now and make it simmer. Get a one taste. Real. You can taste it burning in the hand. Taste it all, man. You know what I taste?
Want to try out?
Yeah, man, you want to come up here, you know, and give it, let it make it simmer down. When it's about 10 more minutes and it's ready. Yes, peeps. We are getting the rice in the pot here now. I will tell you, say, sorry rice we are going, you know. Sorry rice with brown stew pork with a difference. Brown stew fish with a difference. Yes. As you can see, the subscriber them are roll out. Pot near for land. Yeah, man. Eating the rice in that pot. Can't wait no rice place, because the amount of people come. When we say cooking, you know. When you say cooking, you know, man, the people ain't out, you know. Peeps. Eat a stir now. The people like first, my people know what's about to taste sorry rice. Eat a stir now and leave it to simmer down to greatness. Yeah, man. Rice is simmer down now, so I'm going to get one plastic bag over it. Now this is, if you don't have a plastic bag, you can use a piece of file paper in order to steam the top of the rice. Meanwhile the fire steam the bottom part.
So there you have it, guys. Serrol rice.
We'll get on the plastic over it now. Get a faster steam. Yeah. Yes, people. Cheap soon, you know. So, get the plastic bag on the rice.
Kids them play football today. One beautiful sky.
I get the rest out because I want a little more steam, about 10 more minutes and the ship land. In order for you to get the rice, you have to take the one at bottom and put it on top. And make what the top or bottom. So you get a better steam. Sorry rice are coming. So long. Yes. Let me tell you peeps, they start come out already. See there? Peeps are come out. Subscribe and they out man the numbers.
You're right, man. This is a food from dog. I like dog.
The artist Zalis. Coat with shine.
This country. Dog, yadi. This man.
Yeah man. We out man this evening man. He want leather banging hit. You don't know what things say.
Bang I like.
Oh.
I don't have the bang I like. I'm going to keep talking about
The coconut alone.
That's just the coconut water I want.
Coconut.
That's coconut water.
The thirsty one.
I always be when they say we coconut.
pipe the one.
Wash
The
up
pipe.
yard. No. Wash up now.
You wash up thin out, you know.
Yeah,
Wash
well.
up yard. Last time we drink it. Wash up yard. I like dog.
Females then come out already, guys. Shy out in our vlog.
Artist mommy.
Yeah, but they are waiting for the local menu, you see it? They are waiting for the local food about 3 weeks now. We have 3 weeks now. About 3 weeks now we have planned for the food. I'm going to catch this one. Yeah, me catch it. No farm you come from. We're from St. Anne's Bay. Come look for the comfy food.
Good,
Yeah.
good things happen to those who wait.
Yeah, we catch it today. Catch the sorry rice. Where's the daddy doing? Up on the road,
Oh man,
So we are cooking out in our yard now. You have fun yesterday. Enjoy your day yesterday.
Enjoy yourself yesterday.
What about,
Yeah.
next time you are going to cook?
Next time we're gonna cook curry rice.
Alright,
Curry
sir.
chicken and rice.
Alright, my boss. Next chef in our making, see there.
Yeah man, I look chef in the make it right. Yeah, ducky boat you know. I got dish out the food man. Yeah man, the people say out. Can't wait for the good old Serrol rice, the brown stew, snapper fish head, and the brown stew pork cooked down in a pineapple sauce. Boom, I'm gonna start sharing the food around. Oh,
Come in there.
them two.
First, me I see her. Nobody see her before me. Hello. Hi.
Yes, peeps. We have a subscriber from We Are St. Anne's Bay. We Are St. Anne's Bay, if you just see, on sample the Serrol rice and the brown stew fish head, and the pineapple sauce. About 3 weeks now, she have with this food. Finally. Yeah, peeps. Man, tell me appreciate it today, sir. Take your hand over there. Yes, sir, I'll get the fish and sure. One of that, one of that. Can't wait for tomorrow. Chip up. Yeah, man, see good old something here. This is good old something. Great old Arnold. Brownstew pork simmer down in a pineapple sauce. Peeps. Can't wait to get in it.
The fans they move over there, so.
One water.
What disgusting. The baby wait for a few.
Delicious.
Say the peeps, say people don't come out. And they hear about Caribbean vibes now they hear. They are out.
Nobody can mix training.
Oi. It come man, it come. The master them can't wait, peeps. That come. So yes, peeps, the food ready now and see people now wait for the food. I'm gonna show you the food around.
Yeah.
Yeah man. I hand out the food.
People like nothing, you see them.
Yeah. This. What is that? Who's the fish? Who's the pork?
Come in, Chrissy.
Hey, look at this man.
This is a can.
You can stay in one can.
Never use it here.
Good food.
You're not talking like camera,
This is a camera.
Yeah, good things there, you know?
Alright, the sorry rice.
Yeah. And the
Sorry rice.
sorry rice
Fish more,
bad.
fish.
I tell you, this one I can cook. Tastes nice.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Sorry rice. First
Best man.
Yeah.
You could have steam on night one at a time.
Yeah, man.
I am.
Okay.
So something now. Hi guys. For the first time eating the sorry rice. And it really tastes nice.
Dog, your angle is
Very nice. Very nice.
yes.
People them come out, as the dog always say. The idea is to the body about what they died.
Yeah, peeps, you see it? We do it again. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. We do it again. What is going? What is going? I come back and share all for the camera.
Pineapple sauce. Yes, man.
Oh, this is Caribbean cooking. Serrol rice. You know, say yes, you one day. Rice so nice, so the food so nice. You need for there, so yes, you need for there. Belgium, please.
Yeah, the guys. Subscribe with them so much, you know. Yeah, them give me motivation to keep on push out the content, you know. Yes, people. Another one again. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Mosquito them out. Yeah, man, but it's a good vibes. Looking at pot them. See there, everything shell down.
Shell empty.
Nemo, tap in eyes, no, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see there.
Shell out.
Everything shell down.
Work
When you
everything
talk
down.
on the vlog, you don't talk. Best fish, God knows.
Yeah.
Your dog, your angle is on you.
Yeah, man, but like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. See you in our next video.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See people there. They're out. Subscriber, they're out.
Your dog, your angle is so on you.
Yes, man.
No bad, so.
He finished.
Finish. Yes, peeps, that's how we do it on Caribbean Vibes. When the peeps then come out for your food, we rather give people them the food. And we take the, you know, a pot bottom. That's how we do it. And this me get out of it. Out of side rice with the soup, pork and the fish. This me get. That's how we do it, man. Share. Still. So what's that? See you in the next video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Boom.
Mosquito full running your yard door.
Boom.
Yeah, mosquito.